Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask that can effectively filter virus and bacteria particles and sneeze debris. Much better than a simple cotton mask. You can literally make it in about 30 seconds and you can effectively make 600 masks for $25, really. Unlike surgical or N95 masks, this face mask, which is made from a CPR Resuscitation Mask, can make a tight seal to your face, and the furnace filter material that we use for filtering can effectively filter virus and bacteria particles. But the best part, no sewing required. Sorry, singer. The face mask is made from basically three things: a common, reusable, washable CPR Resuscitation Mask that costs about $10 and comes with a free pair of gloves, actually. Then we'll use the furnace filter material that's been removed from a single furnace filter, like this one here, which will yield about 26 feet of material. And as you can see, that is quite a bit of filter material that we'll have available to use for this project. And finally, we'll need a rubber band, just one. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to get these materials. Now we're going to make and assemble the mask, which will take us about 30 seconds. So you get a piece of the furnace filter material, cut it to 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches, trim the corners a little bit, get the resuscitator mask, lay the filter material over the tubing connector, double up a rubber band, put it over the filter and the tubing connector, and basically done. To use the mask, slip it over your head, adjust for a snug fit, pull the cinch straps to make a tight seal to prevent leakage around the edge, and you're ready to go out on the town. But remember, you still need to safe socially distance. When you get back from your adventure, remove the mask, remove the used filter material and discard, wash your hands and the CPR mask with soap and water, and install a fresh piece of filter material, and you're ready to go out on the town again. A quick review of the advantages of this mask. The CPR mask is plastic, washable, and reusable. The CPR mask can provide a leak-proof seal around your face, preventing leaks around the edges. This mask can provide filtering of virus and bacteria particles. The filter itself is easily removed from the mask, discarded, and replaced. A single $15 furnace filter has 26 square feet of filter material inside. All that's needed is a piece that's 2.5 by 2.5 inches. So we can get enough filter material from a single furnace filter for 600 uses of this mask. 600. To remove, reuse, and discard the used filter material, wash the CPR mask and install a new piece of filter material. That's all it takes. Pretty cool, huh? A little information about the furnace filter. Per the product packaging label, furnace filter is rated for an MPR microparticle performance rating of 1500 or greater, can effectively filter out viruses, bacteria, and cough and sneeze debris. And that's what we need. Got to contain that cough and sneeze debris. Okay, a quick note on where you can get the supplies. You can get the CPR Resuscitation Masks on Amazon.com. Just search on CPR Resuscitation Rescue Mask and they'll pop right up. Lots of choices, $10 or under, very reasonable. You can get the furnace filters at your local big box store like Walmart or Target, etc., or online at Amazon.com. Once again, search on 3M Filtrete 1500 to get the filters that can filter virus and bacteria. Very easy to get. Also, check out my other video on how to make face masks from a furnace filter that can effectively filter virus and bacteria particles. Okay, if you watched my video this long, then surprise, you get the bonus material. So you get to see Brinkley Dog performing his favorite trick to get a treat. Enjoy.
Brinkley, roll over. Good puppy. Do you get a treat now? Good boy. Come on, let's go.